Okay, so this is the humidifier that you get. This is a very large humidifier. I'd say this is like 2 gallons almost, maybe 1.5 gallons. Pretty large, but you can remove the lid like this. You don't want to get any water in there, as it says. And then that's your reservoir. It's pretty large, actually. I'm actually impressed. This thing only has to be filled up once every 2 days if I use it every night and during my son's nap. So pretty nice humidifier. Seems pretty well made. You have your power button, your adjustment button, your light button, your light indicator, or indicator light. But that's it.